Tonight, we watch two birds duke it out. Okay, we watch one bird be a bully and the other one be a pussy. This is pretty much my entertainment for the day. Although it was pretty cool earlier, it was like a really big, fat, juicy bug trying to smack up against this window like he was trying to escape. And then one of these birds just came in, swung, and took his ass. It was funny as hell. I guess Mr. Bird ain't gonna do much anymore. Oh, I guess I can't zoom in while I'm live. Well, fine then, be that way. Oh, U-Haul. Oh, an asshole's car.